Is it the right time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will delve into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, November 13, 2023. And now, we are here to present you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, like, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. Missing any crucial updates that could impact your investments is not something you want. Enhance your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 13, 2023, our system has identified Google as a potential sell candidate, with a score of -2.17. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We'll closely monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the upcoming days. The stock is currently moving within a wide and horizontal trend. This means that we can expect further movements within this trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential -0.422% change over the next 3 months. This indicates a possible return between -8.13% and 5.42%. Now, let's talk about the 12-month trend. It suggests a significant 57.71% change over the next 12 months. This could result in a potential return between 48.41% and 73.05%. In other words, the stock price could range from $198.34 to $231.27 after a year. Our latest update on Google brings some concerning news. The stock has been downgraded to a sell candidate. On the last trading day, which was Monday, November 13, 2023, the Google stock price experienced a decline of 0.313%. It went from $134.06 to $133.64. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.01%, reaching a low of $132.77 and a high of $134.11. Interestingly, the stock has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days, showing a positive trend over the past 2 weeks with a 6.27% increase. It's worth noting that the trading volume decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive indicator as volume usually follows the stock. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 4 million shares, and a total of 15 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.98 billion. Let's take a look at the stock's performance over the past year. The highest price within the 52-week period was $142.38, while the lowest price was $85.57. Currently, the stock is 6.14% below its 52-week high, which means it is valued at $8.74 less than the highest point reached. Moreover, it is 94.71% below its all-time high, which was recorded on June 11, 2021. On that date, the stock price skyrocketed to $2,526.99. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, it was reported that Needham gave Google a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, July 26, 2023, Susquehanna gave Google a positive grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, July 26, 2023, KeyBank gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, May 24, 2023, JMP Securities gave Google a market outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, May 4, 2023, Credit Suisse gave Google a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Google stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as a strong buy. As for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for Google stock. Firstly, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, there are also some negative signals that may impact the stock's near short-term development. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal, while the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. This means that the stock's forecast is more negative overall, as the long-term average is above the short-term average. If the stock continues to gain, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $133.91. On the other hand, if it falls, there will be some support from the short-term average at $132.41. Breaking above the long-term average will provide another buy signal, whereas falling below the short-term average will strengthen the sell signal. Additionally, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, November 10, 2023, resulting in a minus 0.313% decrease in the stock. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. The volume of trading fell along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume should follow price movements. Here are some other signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, we received a buy signal. Pivots, we received a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, we received a buy signal 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, we received a buy signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, we received a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, we received a buy signal 14 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. Short moving average, we received a buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, we received a buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, we received a buy signal 165 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Google. When it comes to support levels, there are 2 key levels to watch for Google, $126.67 and $123.44. These levels represent areas where the stock has seen significant buying activity in the past. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there is a risk that it may break below and fall to the next support level. For Google, the next support levels are $126.67, followed by $123.44 and $123.40. Moving on to risk, Google is considered to have medium risk due to its average movements during the day and good trading volume. In the last day, the stock had a price range of $1.34 or 1.01% between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, the average daily volatility for Google has been 1.63%. Before we get into discussing potential trading levels for Google, it's important to review some essential fundamental data. Let's start with the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio measures the current share price of a company in relation to its per-share earnings. Google's P/E ratio is within a normal range, which is often observed in companies with established track records and predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Google's fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $1.60. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact the stock prices. Today, let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Google. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google stands at $135.49. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. However, for those who already hold the stock, this could be a suitable level for swing trading. On the downside, Google encounters its first support level at $126.67. If this support level holds strong, it could present a favorable entry point, as we anticipate a potential rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Google has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades involved Shriram Kavitark Ram. He both bought and sold a total of 983,900 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power ratio to be negative at -73.362. Overall, insiders have purchased 1,162,054 shares and sold 8,086,717 shares in the last 100 trades. We have evaluated this stock and unfortunately, our assessment is negative. Additionally, no stop loss has been set. Is Google stock a good buy? Our analysis suggests that Google currently holds several negative signals and is expected to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Additionally, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a buy to a sell candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements in the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. As for trading on Tuesday, November 14th, we anticipate Google to open down by $0.133 and commence trading at $133.51. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis of your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view on this stock. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also curious to know what your target for this stock is. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We wish you all successful trading and hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.